about to wash the truck. So I just want y'all to see how bad it is first. Baby. Can't really tell, but it's good. Yeah, I don't know if the camera picked it up. I didn't see it a little better on this side. All that's good. All right, y'all. So let's see how good they do at washing the truck, y'all. I hit y'all up. We just finished. They just finished washing the truck. So I'm finna show y'all what it looks. I think they did a really good job. Tires look nice and shiny now. About like what it was. Chrome looking chromey. Black looking blacky. You feel me? So they did a real good job with the paint. And no more of that dirt all over it. Nice and clean. Still a little bit. Definitely way better than before. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. I'm back clean again. That's it. I'll check in with y'all later.